Hi guys, my name is Chris from Monimoto, and today I want to introduce Monimoto 7, our new anti-theft GPS tracker for motorcycles, scooters and other vehicles. Once you receive the box, make sure the security sticker is not damaged. If it's broken, you better consult with your retailer. So let's look what's inside the box. Here's the prompt for you to download the Monimoto app. And here is the device itself. It's slim, compact, and as all previous Monimoto models, it's completely wireless. It comes with two AA lithium batteries for your convenience, and it also has an integrated eSIM card, so it can work straight out of the box. Here is the proximity key fob, and you will also find plastic straps that you can use to attach the tracker to your motorcycle. So that's it guys. All you need to do now is download the app and set up the device.